The San Bernardino Safety has issued a stay-home alert for Orange, San Luis Obispo, Los Angeles, San Diego, San Francisco. This alert was called after an unknown thing was happening outside SND, and it goes around all over the place, destroys building, house, and more. Please stay home. Going to this unknown thing can cause you to pass out and wake up in a sewer. Please, if you have details, tell us what we know. Is it only comes in the dark and it can't hear? Please be aware of this. The Los Angeles Police Department has issued a "Be Aware" alert for all of California. All TV stations should be ceased and should play this message. Others shall not be ceased, as they will provide news and other. This alert was called after buildings have been reported being collapsed, blowing up, broken glass, broken parts, and more. And this is called from an unknown sound going around that we can't hear. Not even you can hear, but scientists believe that this sound sounds like a taser. Please be aware of this, as it can happen to you. A primary entry point system has issued a government alert for all of California. Please listen to the government. California is currently under attack from a sound that sounds like a taser, which is causing a massive pressure between buildings, and which causing a buildings to break. Please stay calm. We are trying to destroy this sound, but is currently not found where it's coming from, as this sound is seemed to not affect us humans. The government office is currently destroyed as it's a sound. I am currently in my house as this is happening. We have to work together to destroy the sound, and now it's destroyed almost every tall building here in San Diego, and also destroyed the U.S. State Bank and Wells Fargo in Los Angeles. What we know is that it can kill of California, but this is not confirmed, so please stay calm and wait until further notice. And this alert is now confirmed. A primary entry point system has issued a government alert for all of California.